Hey guys, I guess this is like part 2 of the Glamraider mystery box unboxings. The last video I filmed the XX Revolution. This time we are doing the Made by Mitchell, which I'm very excited. I don't have anything from this brand. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's see. I really wanted to get the Peaches and Cream and the P. Louise, but by the time I bought these, they were sold out, understandably. But yeah, either way, I'm happy with what I got. So this one retailed for $100. It said it's valued at $201. So let's get into it. Ooh, okay, so the first thing I see in here are 3 brushes. I'm just going to take them out of their packaging. I feel like you can never go wrong with a new brush. Something that you can never have too many of. I don't think. I have so many brushes and I still find myself needing more. So these are very nice. They have like a soft matte feel. They're neon green, which you guys know that green is my favorite color. They feel extremely soft. Yeah, I really like these. These are super cute. So we have like kind of like a rounded one. I don't know what I'd use that for. Maybe like concealer. Yeah, it's kind of like a very dense, like small, it's almost like a small like version of a foundation brush, but yeah, I feel like concealer or something. We have like just a, you know, blender brush, quite a skinny fluffy one, and then we also have like more of a packing brush. So yeah, these feel really good quality. I don't know much about Mitchell's brand at all, if I'm being honest. All I know is that he's an amazing makeup artist, so I feel like his products would have to be amazing, you know. I feel like I honestly haven't heard too much about his brand since it launched. I need to look into that, hey. But yeah, I've got 3 makeup brushes. In here we have 2 of his, is it blush? Oh, is it like meant to be like a English accent blush? I don't know. Anyway, we have 2. We have Cherry Cola and Where's the SPF? So let's have a look. So first one is Where's the SPF? Okay. This looks like an insane, crazy color, which I don't know if I would ever use. So this one might be a giveaway, but it is actually gorgeous. Like, it is such a beautiful color. I just don't think I'm ballsy enough to pull that off. And also, I don't think it would suit my skin tone, but it is absolutely stunning. It's like a coral, like a kind of like deep coral. It's really, really pretty. Very cool color. I wish, I don't know if like you could use these on your lips, but if you could, that would be gorgeous on the lips, I reckon. So yeah, that's that. Then we have the Cherry Cola. Just judging by the like swatch on the top, this one looks to be a bit more my shade. Oh, that's stunning. I still don't know if it'll be too dark for me though. I feel like we could sheer it out, but I do really love that shade. Like, that is just beautiful. I think I'll have to give it a bit more of a what's the word, like more thought to see if I actually want to keep this, because once I swatch it I obviously can't give it away. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I just hope it will match my skin tone. So yeah, that one's called Cherry Cola. And then the last thing we have in here is a makeup palette. How do you know what it's called? Oh, Feet on the Ground. Is that the name of the palette? Let's have a quick look on Glamraider. Okay, yep, it is. It's called the Feet on the Ground palette. Okay. I really love the whole design of this. I just think it's so beautiful. Like, well, I'm holding it upside down, but yeah. So I just really like the vibes. Yeah, I just had a look at his collection on Glamraider, and he doesn't seem to have too much out at the moment. The 2 palettes, he has a couple of the blush shades, and he has a couple brushes out, and then also the makeup case. To be fair, we did have coronavirus last year. That could have slowed things down. I don't know how long his actual brand has been out for, but yeah, I think this is what he launched with, so it doesn't look like he's expanded too much, but yeah. Okay, so this is the palette here. It's so beautiful. I just love the camo thing. I think this is really unique, and like I don't feel like you don't really see stuff like this on the market, so I think like I applaud him for taking like a kind of a different route, I guess. This palette I think I'll definitely be keeping. There's just something about it, and I just really want to try the formula. I just can imagine that it will be amazing. I feel like there is so many different looks that you can do, and yeah, I just feel like it's something that's very versatile. It's weird, it's like neutral, but then there's some really crazy pops of colour, but it doesn't look too overwhelming. So yeah, I really like it. These shimmers look absolutely beautiful, and yeah, the mattes look super creamy and nice. So yeah, I think I'll do a video on this, and yeah, test it out, tell you guys what I think. Just having a look at these other palettes called The Head in the Clouds. I actually think this one is my favourite out of the two. This one has more mattes, which I find better in a palette. I like to be able to have the more mattes. The other one has quite a few shimmers, and while I do love a good shimmer, I feel like to get the most out of a look, you need more mattes, you know? But anyway, that is everything that came in this box. To give you guys an idea, this palette is $79, so pretty much $80. The blushes are $30, so $60 here. And then the brushes, the two smaller ones are $20, and then the bigger one is $22. So I think we definitely doubled our what do you call it, thing here. Just this palette and one of these brushes is what I paid for, because that's $100 there. So then, you know, we've got 4 other products on top of that. So I think that's a pretty good deal. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this one's quite short, but I don't really know how to make this any longer. Like, I feel like I've said everything I need to. But yeah, one more video to go, so make sure you guys check that out. It'll probably be coming after this. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.